Students of class 4th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 5, that is formatting in MS Word. This is part 1. In this part 1 we will learn how to do formatting. So first of all we need to know what is formatting. Formatting means to beautify the text, like changing the size and color of the text or highlighting the text. If we want to do formatting, there are different options through which we can do formatting. Like we can change the size of the text, we can change the color of the text, or we can highlight the text, we can align the text. There are so many things. So how we'll do, let's see. Our first topic is changing font. Our first topic is changing font. How? Let's see. As you can see a box over here, parts of computer, there are different parts of computer, just like this: monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer. Now I am changing the different font style. So first of all you need to select the text. After that you need to click on home tab. In home tab you will see a font group. In this font group there are different options and commands are there. Our first command is, that is, font. In this box you will see different font styles over here. You need to choose different font style. Like this, I am choosing Algerian. As you can see, font style has been changed. Once again, if you want to change the font style of monitor, so first of all you need to select monitor. Now click on font option and choose the font style, just like I am choosing Times New Roman. As you can see, once again select the text, click on home tab. In font group click on font option and change the font style. I'm choosing Aroni, like this, or you can choose another font style like this, uh, mouse. This is Blackadder ITC. Fine. In this way you can change the font style. Our next topic is changing font size. How we can do changes in font size? Let's see. First of all you need to select the text and click on home tab. In font group, nearby font option you will see font size option. So you need to click on this drop down option and you can increase size like this. In the same way you can decrease the size. So first of all you need to select the text, and now currently size is 18. You can decrease the size to 12. As you can see, size has been changed. Once again select the text, click on font size option and change the font size like this. Fine. Now move to the next topic, that is changing font color. How we can change font color? So first of all we need to select that text, and in home tab, in font group, we'll see font color option. So you need to click on drop down menu and choose the color. I am choosing green color. Fine. The color of this text has been changed. Once again select the text, click on drop down menu, change the color. As you can see, red color is appeared on this text. Once again select the text, choose the color, click on that particular color. The color has been changed. Fine. Now move to the next topic, making text bold, italic or underline. How? Let's see. Select the text. After selecting text, in home tab, in font group, there are different options are there, different commands are there. So we need to click on B. B means bold. As we click on this B option, our text has been changed, means it has become bold. Once again, if you are selecting the text, nearby bold there is the option of italic. As I click on this italic option, as you can see, the letters of this text has been changed in italic formation, means they are slending. Okay, if we want to apply underline, so what you need to do, select the text, click on underline option. A line is there under the text. Once again, select the text. If you want to apply different type of line under the text, so what you need to do, click on drop down menu and choose this double line, just like this, or you can choose this wavy line like this. So in this way you can apply bold, italic or underline option. So in this way you can do apply formatting of bold, italic and underline. Now our next topic is highlighting text. How we can highlight the text, let's see. First of all, you need to select the text, then click on home tab. In font group you will see font text highlight color nearby the font color option. So you need to click on drop down menu and choose the color. I am choosing yellow color. As you can see, text has been highlighted. Once again, select the text, choose the highlighted color like this. Once again, select the text, choose the highlighted color option like this. So in this way you can change the highlighted color of the text. So students, I hope you all have understood. You all have book with you. Start reading book, see this video 2-3 times. If you have computer at your home, start doing practical, do practice, study well. I hope you all have understood. Thank you very much.